Some of the side effects of Trump taking over Venezuela, in theory, to give him access to loads and loads of oil,
Yeah.
In theory, should bring the price of petrol down, should it not?
Yeah, it should. I was having a look at oil prices last year and going into this year, and even pre-Trump or factors unrelated to Trump, oil prices have been trending down. They dropped from a little over $80 per barrel 12 months ago down to about $60 per barrel now, and projected to stay no higher than that through the year of 2026. We have apparently got a global oversupply of oil at the moment.
So why is it not cheaper at the pump?
The reason for that is Irish tax. We had a tax discount on fuel, if you wish, applied in 2022 when oil prices were really, really high coming out of the pandemic. Government knocked a few bob off the taxes on fuel, but they've been adding them back on steadily over the last 18 months. And in fact, the last reapplied tranche of tax went live 1st of January. So our taxes on fuel are now back up to around 60% of the retail price. So 172 for a litre of diesel, €1 of that is direct to government in tax. And that's why we don't really see the world oil prices. But the world does. And the world, as I say, has an oversupply of oil at the moment.